Very good morning, grade 12 students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of a very important and an interesting chapter 2, that is the Tiger King. The Tiger King, the title is appropriate and meaningful because in this chapter, a king who starts killing tigers because the astrologers have predicted that his death would be because of a tiger. His name is Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur. When he was born, when he was born in just 10 days, that means when he was only 10-day old. Again, I would like to repeat this, mark it. When he was only 10-day old, he started to ask intelligent questions from the astrologers. Astrologers were shocked and they predicted that he would die. He, that means Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur, the king, he would die because of a tiger. And you won't believe this 10-day-old boy, what did he revert? I know it's very shocking to all of you. He reverted that, let tigers beware. But the fact is that the astrologers, whatever they had read, because of their knowledge and all, this is what they said. Now, he is 20 years old. When he turns 20, again the information comes to him that he would die because of a tiger. Now he laughs because now he is at the age of 20. He has been born and brought up like a royal prince. He has been born and brought up like a royal king, used to drink cow's milk. He was taught English. He was being taken care by an English nanny. So this is how he has been born and brought up. So at the age of 20, he kills the first tiger. But the astrologers correct him and they say, sorry Sir Jilani Jang Bahadur, 100th tiger, you have to be careful of the 100th tiger. That could be the cause of your death. He is least bothered because he is a king. He starts to kill tigers and he has banned the killing of tigers in his estate, that is in his kingdom. A British high rank officer comes to that kingdom in order to show his interest because even he was fond of killing tigers. The king straight away, the king of Pratibandapuram, he denies, he says no. Rather he gifts 50 diamond rings costing 3 lakh rupees to the British officer's wife in order to just convince him. He starts killing tigers. In 10 years, he kills 70 tigers. Now the remaining 30 tigers, where will they come from? He approaches another royal king for marriage so that he could get tigers from that kingdom to kill. So he started, whenever he used to visit his in-laws' house and his kingdom, in-laws' kingdom, he used to kill at least 4 to 5 tigers. This is how he, that is the king, kills 99 tigers. Still one is left. He threatens his divan. The tiger king threatens the divan that I want the last tiger anyhow. Now the divan, some or the other how, arranges an old tiger. The tiger king aims to shoot at the 100th tiger. Rather, the 100th tiger, mark it, did not die due to the bullet. He died because of the sound, because the tiger was old. And what the tiger king thought, that he has now killed 100 tigers. These people, the divan and other officers of his kingdom, were so scared they did not reveal the truth in front of the tiger king. Now on the birthday of Maharaja's son, Maharaja is the tiger king, on the birthday of his son, he brought a toy. He bought a toy that was a wooden tiger. It was not properly decorated and fabricated. The wooden tiger that he bought was not a good piece. It was just a so-called piece. And you won't believe that wooden tiger became the cause of Maharaja's death, because a kind of splinter had hit. A splinter had made an injury in his hand, in his one arm. Therefore, the next day the entire arm was infected, and this is how Maharaja died. So directly or indirectly, the 100 tiger only became the cause of Maharaja's death. This is how the prediction of astrologers came to be true. Because he killed 99 tiger and 100 tiger, he did not kill it. The Diwan and other people, they killed it. So the 100 tiger, though it is unreal, non-living thing, the wooden tiger, that became the cause of the death of the Maharaja. I would also be sending you the PDF notes. Thank you so much.